Guys, I am sorry I look like this. I am exhausted. I worked a 6-hour shift last night, and I just came in from doing chores and milking, and I'm a little tired, and I'm also getting over a cold, so bear with me on my voice. But anyway, we have some leftover milk today, so I thought I'd bring you guys along and show you how I pasteurize it. There are your supplies. Obviously, you gotta get your milk. I use 2 buckets. You will need to do that in order to strain your milk first. You need a funnel with a straightening filter on it with a rubber band, a candy thermometer, or you can use a strainer. This is another example. I don't like to use this one. I like to use this one. You'll need a large tin with half of water, and of course you have to have your filters and some extra rubber bands. So let's strain the milk first, and then I will show you what we do next. Fill up the basin for at least not halfway of water, but water enough to put this next bucket of milk in. Enough to put the bucket just to basically float on top, and enough to boil in there, but not actually boiling it. And for me, I had to strain it a couple of times, just get any dirt, get any loose hair, anything like that. And of course, you can wash your goat's udder before you start milking, but I always recommend straining. Next, we're going to use Miss Candy thermometer right here. Just gonna put it off to the side. I'm gonna put a candy thermometer right here. Then we're gonna turn the burner all the way up to the high, and we're going to wait till this temperature reads to 164 degrees. And once it gets to 164 degrees, we will stir it for at least 30 seconds, and then we will take the milk out and put it in the sink to cool it down, and then put it in a new container. Alright, we're almost at 161 degrees for a few minutes. And as you can see, it's starting to get a little bit of like frothy at the top. Don't worry about that. It will lower down where you could pick that off. And then we will stir it in a few minutes. Alright, so we do this for about 30 seconds. Put it in the sink, fill with cold water to cool it down. You can put it in a container, and it'll be ready to use. Voila! Next person ready to drink it.